Hi, my name is Sam Wood. My partner Bob Smith and myself both own Smitty's Maintenance Repair in Palmer, Pennsylvania. We do full collision. We work with all insurance companies. We also have a separate shop, which is a complete mechanical repair, anything from a tire repair to an engine replacement. We can pretty much handle anything that happens either in or outside your automotive needs.
My name is Bob Smith. My partner Sam Wood and I have owned Smitty's Maintenance and Collision. We've been in business for over 41 years. We've dealt with Nutropoli Bank for about 16 years now. We both started this business with the motto that we do good work for a fair price and keep up with technology today, that we'd always be busy. And we're very fortunate we're busy all the time.
We were with a big bank before. Every time that we needed to do any improvements in our business, it was always a big ordeal going through the loan process.
When we came into this business, we knew that technology was changing, and it seemed like we need somebody that would listen to us and understand where we were, and Nutropoli Bank really made that fit.
My partner Bob and myself, we were talking about doing some major improvements to our body shop business, which included all kinds of new equipment that will take us into the next 10 years or so in this business.
Cars are changing every single day, and it was going to require a fair amount of financing to do that. And we went to Nutropoli and talked to them about that. They were very accommodating on getting us where we needed to be quickly and easily.
I was talking with Dave about it, and he told me, "We like the direction your business is going, so let's move forward with it." I got a hold of Dave Sherwin. Bob and I sat down and talked with him about what we needed and where we wanted to take this business. As simple as that, we were moving forward with the whole project. It was the most pain-free experience we've had.
Small business still needs to have that connection to the people they're dealing with. And I really feel that both us and Nutropoli Bank strive to have that personal touch, and that's what really makes the process so easy to work with.
I've recommended Nutropoli Bank to multiple different businesses that I had dealings with. They do whatever it takes to move your business forward. They absolutely are vested in your business. They're there for you all the time.